What if I told you the dollar in your pocket could one day become a relic of the past, or worse, lose its value while you're asleep? Sounds dramatic, right? But this isn't a sci-fi script. It's a very real possibility in the age of digital currencies and blockchain. The question is, are you ready for it? Wait, don't tell me you're still thinking Bitcoin is just a get-rich-quick scheme. Because if that's your mindset, you're about to miss one of the biggest financial shifts in history. Let me take you on a journey where we'll uncover what blockchain really is, how digital currencies can reshape your wealth strategy, and why acting now could be your best financial decision first. What is blockchain? At its core, blockchain is like the ultimate digital ledger. Imagine every financial transaction you've ever made, etched in stone, not editable, not erasable. This means transparency, accountability, and security on a level traditional banking systems can only dream of. But here's the kicker. This isn't just about money. Think supply chains, healthcare records, even voting systems, all revolutionized by blockchain tech. A world where middlemen like banks become irrelevant and you control your wealth. 247. No hidden fees, no waiting days for payments to clear. The power shifts to you feels good, doesn't it? Now you might be thinking, okay, blockchain sounds cool, but what about digital currencies themselves? Let's dive in second, the potential of digital currencies. Digital currencies, or cryptocurrencies, are the practical application of blockchain. They're decentralized, meaning no government or bank controls them. Sounds risky. Sure, but think about this. Every financial innovation was once considered risky: credit cards, online banking, even the internet itself. Here's the scary part. Traditional currencies are losing purchasing power every day due to inflation. Meanwhile, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin have skyrocketed in value over the past decade. Which side of history do you want to be on? Besides, isn't it time your money worked smarter, not harder? I mean, it's 2024. Our phones are smart, our homes are smart, why not our wealth too? But let's talk strategy. Because owning digital currency isn't enough. It's how you use it that defines your financial future. Third, how to leverage blockchain and digital currencies. Now that you understand the tools, let's talk about how to use them wisely. First, don't invest blindly. Research is your best friend. Look into coins with real-world applications, projects solving real problems. Second, diversify. Don't throw your entire savings into one coin hoping to strike gold. A balanced portfolio is the key to weathering market fluctuations. And lastly, start now. The world isn't waiting for you to catch up. Every day you delay is a missed opportunity to grow your wealth. Still hesitating? Let me put it this way. Would you have waited to buy Amazon stock in 1999? But there's one more piece to this puzzle that makes digital currencies even more powerful, and it's something most people overlook. Curious, stick around. Act 3, Resolution Cliffhanger, 60 seconds. So we've covered the foundation of blockchain, the potential of digital currencies, and how to use them to your advantage. But here's the truth. Building wealth isn't just about making smart investments. It's also about letting time do the heavy lifting. Want to know how? It's called the power of compounding, and it's the secret weapon of every wealthy individual you admire. Cliffhanger. Imagine growing your wealth exponentially just by making one smart decision today. Sounds too good to be true. Well, it's not. Click on the video here, end screen link, to uncover how compounding could change your financial future forever. You don't want to miss it. Closing line. Your future isn't waiting. It's happening now. The question is, will you step into it prepared, or will you let it pass you by? The choice is yours.